mowing his lawn for the first time with his own toy. That's right, he bought his own toy, his own lawnmower, a Troy built. There he goes. I think he's having more fun on the ride than actually mowing the lawn. Big man with a big toy. So ecstatic about his new lawnmower. Well, another one off your bucket list, or another one of your wishes off your list. All right, enjoy your ride. Bye.